Hi, this video will show you how to edit quiz evaluation and feedback settings. The evaluation and feedback settings control how quizzes are graded and what students will see immediately after they submit their quiz. The evaluation and feedback settings is a menu located in the right sidebar of the quiz editor. First, we recommend checking the box next to Auto-Publish Results immediately upon completion. With this option checked, the system will automatically grade the quiz and show the result to the student. Note, however, that if you have any written response questions on the quiz, these will be scored as 0 until the instructor manually grades these questions. Next, we also recommend checking the box next to Synchronize to Gradebook on Publish. With this option checked, the system will automatically sync the score students receive on the quiz to the gradebook. Otherwise, the instructor will have to manually publish quiz scores to the gradebook. The next set of options control what students will see when they submit their quiz. First, you can check the box to display the attempt grade to students once they submit. Note that this will only show students their auto-graded score. Any written response questions will be scored as 0 until the instructor provides that score. Next, the drop-down menu allows you to choose whether students can review questions and answers from the quiz after they have submitted. The default option is No Questions, in which case students will not see any questions from the quiz. You can also choose to have students see Incorrect Questions Only with correct answers, Incorrect Questions Only without correct answers, All Questions with correct answers, or All Questions without correct answers. Typically, I like to choose Incorrect Questions Only without correct answers because this gives students an opportunity to review their work and better understand their score without giving away the answers to your quiz. The Customize Quiz Results Displays option allows you to further customize what is called the primary view, or the screen that shows to students immediately after they submit their quiz. This screen gives you a preview of how the settings you chose will display as far as the student's grade, questions, and answers. Click Edit View to customize the message displayed, whether the attempt grade is shown, and whether questions are shown, with or without learners' responses. You can also choose to display the class grade average and distribution if you would like. Additionally, you can also use the Customize Quiz Results Displays window to add an additional view. If, for example, you want all students to have completed the quiz before showing detailed information about questions and answers in order to prevent academic dishonesty, you can set up an additional view, which will release this information at a later time. You can set a display date, at which time this new view will come into effect, or choose a number of minutes after submission before the view appears. Next, just like with the primary view, you can customize what students will see once the time specified elapses. You can add a different message, display the attempt grade, and choose whether students see all questions, incorrect questions with students' responses, or correct questions with the students' responses. Click Create and save when done. Watch the next video for guidance on grading quizzes.